Okay, what do we have today?
Exceptionally smooth pots. Is this a late night infomercial for cookware? No, I'm talking about TT Electronics' PSM series of mini slide potentiometers. They have an exceptionally smooth slide for applications that deliver the most refined user experience, with travel lengths of 4, 5, and 10 millimeters, and a slide lever that is 1.2 or 2.2 millimeters long. The PSM series features a compact surface mount package measuring just 5 millimeters wide, with a through-hole variant available in the 4 and 5 millimeter travel configurations. Total resistance ranges from 500 ohms to 50 kiloohms, with options for audio or linear resistance tapering. PSM series mini slide potentiometers are rated for 5,000 cycles and for operating temperatures from -10 to +70 degrees Celsius.